today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a fantastic video here, guys, showing you how to get the iRecover app. This is going to let you recover permanently deleted photos and videos off your iOS, whether it be iPhone, iPad, iCloud Touch, anything that you deleted that has passed the date of the permanently deleted. And also, if you deleted from recently deleted, you can recover these as well. So any accidentally deleted files, photos, all beginners that you have actually deleted can be restored with this. And we have this actually called iRecover. So this is going to be the app that we need to download and install, and I'm going to be running you through that process. Showing take it that 5 minutes. And yeah, let's go and show you how to do it. So what you need to do is come to Safari or Google Chrome, whatever browser you visit. I use Safari, it's just easier if you're on iOS. When you go to the address bar, I'm going to go to this website. It's called www.yesplugin.com. www.yesplugin.com. Yesplugin.com. Cool. Once you're there, you're going to see a list of kind of apps and stuff here. Go to the top bit and just type in Recover, so RECOVER, and you'll see iRecover plugin. 34 megabytes, that's fine. Just tap on that. Here it is here. Cover permanently deleted photos and videos for iOS. So let me just hit the little download button on the right there. And that's going to begin to process and install the plugin for iRecover so we can get those permanently deleted photos and videos back, guys. So we're going to wait to see it to 100%. Just sit tight, wait for it to install. Basically just installing it. And this is working on the latest iOS devices. And like I said, if you don't need a computer to do this, it just goes ahead. But yeah, it's gonna download iRecover and install it for us. Now, in order for this to fully install, it's gonna need some additional plugin files. I'm gonna show you guys how to actually get those in this video navigation. I'm running through it. They're gonna be given for everyone, depending on like layer from and the device, all that stuff. But I'll kind of explain it. It's pretty quick here. I'm gonna need 2 of them for this to actually work. So I'll show you once this gets to 100%. So it says additional plugins required. That's completely normal. Just go ahead and there say the iRecover installer. Please get 2 free things here to automatically install the plugin. Additional plugin files are required for this plugin to run. If some don't work, try others. But basically, it's going to be a list of them right here. One of them is like TikTok. Just go ahead and get TikTok. And it says go ahead and open up TikTok. There's Family Island. One thing it says get Family Island and complete level 8. What did I say? You only want to do 2 to 3 of these. 2 normally work, 3 if some are buggy. But once you guys have done that, and you should then see the iRecover app installed on your device, and you can start recovering permanently of photos and videos in 2024. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you guys do need any help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.